Hey, we introduce you to Citring, the juicer that's going to make your life even better. But let's start from the beginning. This is an orange. Oranges are citrus fruits with shapes that vary from spherical to oblong and a pulp made of 11 segments filled with juice. This is juice. And this is orange juice, or in other words, the best drink in the world. Orange juice is a beverage rich in vitamin C and some sugar, made from oranges pressed using juicers. This is a juicer. And this too. Juicers are small appliances easy to use. You cut the orange, you squeeze the orange, you massage the orange, you pour the orange juice, you clean the orange mess, you get the orange stains, you hate the orange, and you smell like oranges. And this is Citring. Or in other words, you insert whole oranges, press the button, you enjoy the juice, and all done effortlessly in a minute. It's automatic.
Cool, isn't it?
This is Rock, Citring's founder. Really cool, Rock. And this is the award that Citring received for its design at the IF Design Award 2024. Citring is built with materials that are durable, resistant, strong, and beautiful. Super quiet. Don't wake up your teenage son nor annoy the fifth floor neighbor who complains about everything. And in less than a minute, your juice is ready. And speaking of getting dirty, check this out. You remove the silicone containers, rinse them with water, and you're done. That easy, that fast, and that beautiful, because it looks great in any corner of the kitchen. As I said, this is an orange, and this is a lemon, and this is a grapefruit. They'll do too, because if you're into citrus, you're into Citring. Citring, a minute, a juice.